So finally I have arrived at the velodrome. We'll see how it goes. I'll put whatever slow motions or proper videos I can take. A lot of sponsors we got this year, and there is some. This is jig where they measure the bike, if it's illegal or legal. Every rider is needed to check their bikes.
अगेन रूट सेम है. एक दो राइडर्स को हमने देखा था जो 2 times overlap will be out.
Second heat of the Omnium have just started, which is tempo race.
और अपने खिलाड़ियों के साथ एक्स्ट्रा व्हील लेकर आप
Paina.
Yes, okay. Next event will be announced soon. Corner judge.
See how much big
Thank you.
line it is. Lanchamba is leading the bunch now. Innovation is on the third person.
साइकिलिंग फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ने इस इवेंट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया है.
Every lap you'll get 1 point in the tempo race. Every lap. 1 point. Only 1 point will be included.
Next event will be
Lanchamba is trying to break the bunch. After the first 4 laps, every lap you'll get 1 odd mark. 1 point only for the first rider.
दोनों ब्रेक कर सकता था, दोनों पॉइंट एक ले लेता.
Bunch already broke. Some guy from Punjab have broke from the bunch and getting attached to the breakaway guys. They have joined. Bunch is almost at their back, I guess. If they could work as a team and take each point, then there's no chance that. Oh fuck! They have joined in the bunch. They have rejoined. Some or the odd guy will break away now. Mukesh Bhaskar from Telangana have broke away a little. He's trying his best. We'll see how much he can push hard to cross the line. That's a heavy sprint now. Watch the wheels, watch the wheels, watch the front. This race is called elimination race, where last rider of the Bell Lab will get eliminated. Whichever rider will be the last of the bunch will get eliminated. So whoever will be the last rider of the whole bunch, I mean till the end of the race, will be the winner. Whoever stays in the front till the end of the race will be the winner. I mean the first guy. I couldn't shoot the crashes, but then there were a lot of crashes here. Lanchamba, one of the pursuiters in India camp, have crashed. Mukesh Bhaskar from Telangana, who represented Telangana in this elimination race, have crashed. He crashed twice today. Like the second crash was little severe for him. A lot of scratches on his body. A pretty tough race because this is the only first race conducted in India. The Omnium Series has been introduced by Cycling Federation of India this year for this nationals. As this race is as this nationals is the first nationals to be recognized by UCI. So UCI is Union Cyclist Internationally, which is the head body of the whole cycling in the world. There are 4 events in Omnium race, which is STEP step up, scratch race first, and then tempo, and then elimination, and then points race. This is the elimination race. I mean, this is the third heat, where you could see a lot of riders. I mean, very less riders. Every Bell Lab riders are getting eliminated in the elimination race. Quite tough one, but then we'll see who will win the race.
One, 143, Kerala, 143, Kerala rider 143, out. 143, eliminated.
for dangerous riding.
As you can see, Naman Kapil started giving a breakaway attack where he's pushing hard to his limits in the front with a casting shell helmet. He's gonna sprint out in the lap to not get eliminated as a third guy. He did it and he's on the line. He's on the banking now. So the Punjab guy Harshveer Sekon got eliminated now.
269.
So
Lift the race.
wow, Sadbir Singh from services made an attack again, and he's going to sprint out the whole next lap to win the race, and he gets it. So he's going to win this. Naman Kapil is second.
रिप्रेजेंट करें बैक के बैक पॉइंट बैक है नमन कपिल और देखिए आप सभी शक्ति की बहुत खिलाड़ी बच्चे सबके आप अपना सकते हैं हम आगे हैं
Wakhanda is on his way to. Here's Mayur Pawar and Rojit on the way to track. We'll see who will put out their beast mode.
जाम लगा दी
The first final.
और आपने
JK Ashwin is holding Mayur Pawar. This is going to be a pretty good fight where both of the riders are from Team India. I mean, back those days. And now Mayur Pawar is representing RSPB Railway Sports Promotion Board, and Rojit with the Manipur team. They're going to roll out now. Both the riders are very tough ones. We'll see how the race gonna end. They're playing their own strategies. They're making with the walking pace for the first half lap as we guess to the line. They're still moving in a walking pace. Mayur is going into the front and he's looking back to Rojit. Rojit is putting some speed to his legs, putting the power out to pedals. He's gone to the banking now. He's speeding up a little. I think he's gonna put out some power and grab down. Yes, Rojit got down, and both Mayur and Rojit have picked up the speeds as they could. They're doing their best to sprint out there. The lap is becoming much faster to the limits of the riders. These riders are gonna sprint out like hell. We'll see how it goes. Wow, Mayur is trying his best to reach the Rojit. They are sprinting like hell. These guys made it, and Rojit have won the first heat of the sprint. Wow, very good sprint to watch. That was a very eye-catching on too.
स्प्रिंट जीता है
Wow. Look out the second sprint now. So this second one, this is the second heat, the final heat. We'll see how it goes. Mayur is speeding up a little. Rojit is looking at his speeds, putting to power. Mayur have increased the pace. These guys are sprinting on the banking. They have started looking up the speeds. Mayur is trying to pitch his out on the bankings. Mayur is gonna do something now. Wow, they are making at a very high speeds now. They're gonna sprint out. They started sprinting. Let's see how the fight goes. Wow, Rojit and Mayur are giving their best to the sprint line. Wow.
बराबर पहुंचे हैं रोजित सिंह इस
So finally came back to room. Tomorrow I have my team pursuit qualifying round in the evening. So I mean I'm telling you according to my to the schedule given to me on the first day. Maybe early in the morning we can get a revised schedule of the day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.